Understanding Bait the Animal, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, bait the animal. This might sound a bit unusual, but it's a fascinating expression with interesting usage in English. So, let's dive in and uncover its meaning together. Bait the animal is a phrase that originates from a very literal action, placing bait to lure an animal, usually for hunting or trapping purposes. However, in everyday English, it's often used metaphorically. It means to provoke or entice someone into behaving in a certain way, often by using something they find irresistible or by triggering an emotional response. This expression can be seen in various contexts, from playful teasing to strategic manipulation. Let's look at some examples to understand how bait the animal is used in everyday language. 1. In a debate, he's known for his controversial statements. He just says them to bait the animal. 2. In strategy, the company offered a very tempting discount, trying to bait the animal in the competitive market. 3. In personal interactions, she knew mentioning his old car would bait the animal, making him talk passionately about vintage automobiles. It's important to note that the usage of bait the animal can vary depending on the context. Playful or harmless context, sometimes it's used in a light-hearted, teasing way among friends. Strategic or manipulative context, in other scenarios, it might be part of a strategy or manipulation, where one person tries to control or influence another's actions. That's all for today's lesson on the phrase, bait the animal. We hope you found this exploration interesting and informative. Remember, understanding the context is key to interpreting phrases like this correctly. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Happy learning!